Hi, Megha Bhatia, founder of Book Your Ghar Real Estate LLC in Dubai. And in this video, I'll be diving deep into Emaar Oasis project. So let's understand about the developer first. Everybody knows Emaar. If you have been to downtown, you've seen Emaar everywhere. And a few days ago, I was having a conversation with a friend of mine, and I was telling him that Emaar is one of the top developers. And he corrected me. He said that Emaar is not one of the top developers. Emaar is the top developer, and I totally agree with it. In terms of quality, in terms of developing communities, Emaar is the best. When we talk about downtown, it's developed by Emaar. When we talk about Marina, it's developed by Emaar. And now Emaar is coming up with another location where Emaar is developing a community, 100 million square feet of community, which is Emaar Oasis. This is not a project for you if you're searching for studios, apartments. This is a project for you if you're searching for an opportunity to grow your money and to make huge capital appreciation, not for just you, but for your children, for your grandchildren too. Let's dive deep into what is Emaar Oasis. Emaar Oasis is pure luxury. Here you get only villas, no apartments, no townhouses, only villas like these. These are 4-bedroom villas, 7-bedroom villas, and mansions options available here. If you're aware about Dubai Hills as a community or Emirates Hills as a community, people who had invested in Emirates Hills or Dubai Hills or even Palm Jumeirah, they have made returns upwards of 100% returns. This is an opportunity for you to get that kind of returns again. In this community, there are going to be exclusively 3,100 villas, which are going to be lagoon facing, waterfront facing villas. And there are going to be no apartments, no townhouses. To understand what exactly we're getting at what per square feet price, let's check that out. As you can see, the sales offer right now, a 4-bedroom villa in this community is priced at 15 million dirham. And this is a 8,363 per square feet. 8,363 is the plot area of a 4-bedroom villa. So if we calculate the per square feet price, it's going to be somewhere around 1,800 dirham per square feet price. But if we calculate the per square feet price of similar villas in different well-developed communities like Jumeirah Golf Estate or Tilal Al Gulf, the villas are selling for a price of per square feet around 2,000 to 3,700 dirhams per square feet. Now, I'm sure you can imagine the kind of profit you can make from this investment. You buying something at 1,800 dirham per square feet or 2,000 dirham per square feet, selling it at a price of 3,000 to 3,500 dirham per square feet. That's the kind of profit you make. We cannot predict the future, but we can always calculate it on the basis of numbers and what's trending in the market right now. Numbers speaks for itself. That's what I believe in. And if you look at the community, it is 100 million square feet of pure luxury. You get lagoons, you get everything here. So when Emaar is developing something, they develop the whole community, and the prices will appreciate here because of the exclusivity, because of the units available, and it's very limited. So if we talk about the location of this particular project, it is very strategically placed. It is just 10-15 minutes away from the Al Maktoum Airport, which is the world's largest airport. It is just 15 minutes away from the Expo City, where all the big commercial offices are coming up. Nestle, Siemens, A.R. Rahman Studio, and the list goes on. It is going to be just 15 minutes away from the Palm Jebel Ali, which is another villa community by Nakheel, which is double the size of Palm Jumeirah. And when in Expo City, tourists are going to come, or people who are going to set up their offices there, they will be needing a place to stay. And not everybody is going to prefer an apartment or a studio. They'll be looking for exclusive villas to stay with their family. And that's where your audience is. So Emaar Oasis is a waterfront community, which is a gated community, and it is going to attract a lot of investors. And it is being developed by one of the top developers, that's Emaar. So even if you are planning to invest in a villa option in Dubai, act fast, because this can be a golden opportunity for you. It's okay if you have missed Dubai Hills or Emirates Hills or Palm Jumeirah. There's always a second option, and Emaar Oasis is one such option. I would love you to go through this video of Emaar Oasis and see what they are coming forward with. And if you're planning to invest in a villa in Dubai, you can just give us a call. Let's connect over a Zoom meeting. We'll be happy to assist you in finding your dream villa in Dubai. You can contact us on the number mentioned below. Hope so this information was helpful for you. If you'd like me to make video on any other topic, mention that in the comment section, and also subscribe to my channel so that we can keep making all such videos, such informative videos for you. Thank you. Signing off.